Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Yala. My name's Scott, and in this episode, we're going to talk about what do you do after Bitcoin dips. Well, it was a doozy. It was a big one. So let's jump right into it. So Bitcoin dipped, and here's what it looked like. Okay, so you can see here we were going along, everything was just fine. And then all of a sudden, Donald Trump said, China, we're going to give you a tariff that's 100%, right? As soon as Trump said that, Bitcoin price dropped. Boom. It went from about 122,000 or 121,000 all the way down to 109,000. Okay. A lot of people got liquidated. A lot of people sold and panicked. But what do you do if it dips? Well, if it dips, what I think most people should do to help themselves, not financial advice, just entertainment, talk, is buy more as soon as you can. Because if you know the fundamentals of Bitcoin, presidents are buying it, countries are buying it, corporations are buying it, universities are buying it, and the states in the US are buying it. They're all buying it, and Trump says something that makes the market crash. You might want to buy it on discount. Okay. So that's my advice there. It's proven to be pretty good advice as Bitcoin has gone along. So wanted to share that quick tidbit with you. Now, also wanted to talk about something cool I found. I was cleaning out my closet and I found this. Thought I'd share this with you. This was the Bitcoin conference in 2021. Pretty cool. And I think this might have been the first big one, like really big one, in Florida there, in Miami. So it was pretty fun. I went there with my old company, crypto company I was working for. I'll tell you guys my story at another time, but it was a lot of fun. So anyway, that was pretty cool. So I wanted to share that with you. But next, I want to talk about a couple of you have emailed me with wanting more information about my ebook. So let me just show you quickly for the sake of answering your question, what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Bitcoin for beginners. Table of content has several things. Then a little introduction, a little thing about Bitcoin there. I like this part because you can write notes if you need to there. Who is this ebook for? It's for all of you guys and girls. Why Bitcoin? We talk about the history of money, okay? And why Bitcoin's needed. Why is it different? What is Bitcoin? Where to buy Bitcoin, step-by-step guide to buying, and recommended Bitcoin wallets, and buying strategies for Bitcoin, and taxes with your Bitcoin, Bitcoin's potential growth, and how time is running out. Okay. Time's running out for you guys on Bitcoin. So you definitely want to do everything you can now to put your family in the best situation possible. Okay. So that's some information there that I wanted to share with you, which is pretty cool. So hopefully that answers your question. To those of you who have emailed me wanting a little bit more information on the Bitcoin Yala ebook before you buy it. So hopefully that gave you that information. And you feel a little bit more comfortable with it. So also to answer the question, someone else wanted to know about the Bitcoin Yala store. So I'll show this quickly. For those of you who already saw it, I'll try to be brief. Excuse me. So this is where you get the ebook. It's on sale for $2 off. Okay. If you're an entrepreneur or looking to start a business online, you can click on this link here, build your own stand store, or this link over here. Okay. So both of those go on, and they have lots of tools, and it's the lowest price I've seen on the internet for helping you start your own online business. I haven't found anything with a lower cost that has quality. Okay. I use it myself. It's pretty good. So you can find that by going to the page of the my Stan store, which is stan.store/Bitcoin Yala. Okay. Or you can click on the link in the chat below. Okay. Either way. Okay. So that's that. We got that done. And now I want to tell you a little bit about the contests that we have going on. As you guys know, I give back to the community. I give $50 of Bitcoin randomly to people who write comments in the videos. So, but I do want to mention something that has been brought to my attention, and it does make sense. If you're going to leave a comment because you want to enter for the free giveaway of Bitcoin, that's fine, but please make it an actual comment about the material in the video rather than just saying notifications on or a thumbs up or watching, or that, okay, you're watching, you thumbs up, that's great, and your notifications are on, that's great. But what about a comment about the video, right? Because that's what it's about. It's about the content on the video, about Bitcoin. So I want to keep it focused on Bitcoin. So yeah, so if you're going to leave a comment and wish to be entered in the and win the prize, your comment should be relatable to the video itself in at least a sentence. Okay. So I just want to throw that out there to help you all, those of you that want to win. Okay, so that's what we'll be counting. The winners will be ones that have written at least a sentence about the video. Okay, so hopefully that clarifies. Okay, so as far as the contest we're thinking about running for first person to comment on a video, we got a lot of great suggestions. Thank you for suggesting things. And we've decided on the $10 of Bitcoin for the winner of that. So what that contest is, whoever's first to comment on a video, whoever does that the most out of a full month will add up whoever did that the most, and they will be the winner. Okay. The videos will be displayed at random times. They won't be a set time. Okay. Because we don't want people to only watch just for entering a contest. We want them to get something out of the video or enjoy watching the video for the subject matter rather than the monetary contest. Okay. So that's the whole reason for that. But yeah, so hopefully that answered a few of your questions. Hopefully that gave you clarification on the ebook, on the contests that we're doing to give back to the community. And yeah, so thank all of you for liking, subscribing, and let us know what you want to see on the channel as far as content. Do you want guests? I can try to get some guests on. Would that be something that you'd like? Would you like more talk about the appreciation of Bitcoin? Do you want me to talk about trading Bitcoin? Or what are your thoughts on that? Or do you have questions on that? Or do you want to hear my opinions on that? So leave me some feedback too, because doing these videos every day now, it's I often find myself wondering, what should I talk about next? So if you have anything that you want me to talk about, let me know and we'll go from there. You guys are the best. So thanks for being here, and I look forward to seeing everyone on the next one. Good night, everyone.